Imagine a world so tiny, yet so teeming with life and activity, that it surpasses even the bustling streets of Tokyo. The realm I'm speaking of exists within each and every one of us, hidden in plain sight. The world of cell biology. Let's zoom into this microscopic universe, to the tale of an extraordinary scientist named Rosalind Franklin. Imagine it's the early 1950s, and you're in a dimly lit laboratory in London. There's Rosalind, surrounded by complex equipment. Her eyes leap with curiosity and determination. Rosalind was a pioneer in using X-ray diffraction techniques to study DNA. Its structure, something fundamental to every form of life on Earth. Amidst the hum of the machinery and the gentle rattle of test tubes, she discovered something phenomenal. Photographs showing that DNA had a distinct helical structure. These were famously called Photo 51. Now, let's link this back to our mini-universe inside cells. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It's essentially a manual or blueprint used by our bodies to build and maintain our physical form, from birth until death. And this spiral staircase-like structure, discovered by Franklin, paves the way for genetic instructions which are essential in forming different parts of the body. But how exactly do these instructions get executed? Enter another fascinating component, the ribosome. Think of ribosome as tiny factories scattered throughout our cells, which translate DNA's instructions into actual substances that create life, proteins. Just as workers in a factory add parts to assemble a machine, ribosomes assemble amino acids to create proteins based on the instructions coded in DNA. And where does all this happen? Inside another marvelous cellular structure called mitochondria. Often hailed as powerhouses of the cell, mitochondria convert nutrients into energy that fuel cellular activities, similar to how power plants generate electricity for cities. What makes cell biology endlessly fascinating is not just understanding these processes, but marveling at how they were discovered, their implications for human health and disease treatment. From repairing damaged organs through regenerative medicine to fighting diseases like cancer, central principles learned from basic cell biology light the way. Each researcher's story adds depth and humanity. These scientific quests, be it Rosalind Franklin's perseverance amidst male-dominated scientific fields, or modern-day biologists harnessing CRISPR technology to edit genes with precision unheard before. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, bursting with stars, or down into a microscope revealing cells dividing, or mitochondria pulsing with life, remember that you're part of a grand continuum. Explorers understanding life at scales small and vast. Each discovery, no matter how minute, contributes to the colossal puzzle of existence, pushing boundaries, sparking curiosities, and unraveling the beautiful complexities of life itself.